Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Realme phone setting guys, and today friends we will talk about guys keyboard hanging and lag problem, how to solve. Friends, you want to solve your keyboard hanging problem, keyboard lag problem. So friends, how to solve keyboard hanging and lag problem and how to use keyboard setting guys one by one and step by step friends we will talk about in this video. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video. Friend, first of all open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, click on Realme mobile guys, app management setting. Friends, app management setting, click here. Then friends you can see app list setting, click here. And guys you will have to wait guys only 5 and 6 seconds. Then friends scroll it and friends find here Gboard setting guys, Gboard. Friends click on Gboard and friends click on storage setting and friends click on clear data setting and OK option. Guys after clear data guys, now friends you can use guys your Realme phone guys keyboard setting without any problem, without hanging and lag problem. Friends, you can use your keyboard setting on your Realme phone device. Friends click here, friends give, got it. Friends, you want to use your floating keyboard, so you can on guys your floating keyboard, and friends you can off from here. Friends, you want to use your one hand mode keyboard setting, so you can use your one hand mode keyboard setting from here. Friends, you want to set keyboard theme, so friends select your theme and you can set guys your keyboard theme on your Realme mobile. As you can see, keyboard theme will set. So like that friends you can solve guys your keyboard hanging and lag problem. And friends, you want to add any language, so you can add language from here. Friends, you want to on your tax auto tax correction setting. Friends, you can see auto tax correction, you can on from here and you can use guys your auto tax correction on your Realme mobile. So like that friends we can solve guys keyboard hanging and lag problem. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.